Hello. What's up, chat? How's it going? Let's see, what day is today? It is Monday, June 8th of 2020. I think I have something expiring in my fridge today. Maybe. Is the music loud? Maybe it's just my headphones. Oh, it's just my headphones. I was probably voice chatting, so it was turned up. But yeah, how's it going? Let's see, we got a bunch of people in chat already today. Hey, what's up? Shazrobot, who says first, just barely beating out Juice. Who says I was first though. I don't know. Bot seems to think. Oh, you can see that. Bot seems to think that Shazrobot was first, and Streamlabs overlay agrees as well. We also got Indralane X, who has decided to change their username color to black, which makes it really difficult to read, but you know, what are you gonna do? And we've got Yoda Droid, hello world, hello. You guys have picked up that I say that all the time. And Jamie Pratt, hello, how's it going? I switched it to black for Black Lives Matter. Okay, that's fair. I can support that. Let's see, did you see my new profile picture? No, I did not. Do I have to look at your profile picture now? Is that what we're doing today? GitHub Andrew Lane X. It's no longer you twit face, right? What's different? It looks the same. It's not GitHub. Oh, are you talking about Discord? Dicksword? Did you change it on Discord? Is that where I'm supposed to look? Where are you? What is your name on Discord? It looks the same on Discord too. What gives, buddy? Hey, what's up, Ethan? Typing hello. It's not on GitHub. Now it's updated on GitHub. Oh, for Pride Month. Nice. Interesting. It kind of looks like a frog now. No longer looks like a penguin. But anyway. And the background is black. Yes, nice. Cool. Let's see. What did I want to update on today? How's my sound levels? I think I'm peaking. I'm too excited to stream. Let's see. What did I do? I didn't really do much yesterday. So I don't think I have any programming stuff to update on.
Oh.
I like the TTS on that one. Thank you, Ethan, for the resubscription. 4 months in a row and 12 total. Dang, getting up there, man. Got 1 year of subbage. Thank you for the resubscribe. I really appreciate it. Man, I'm gonna have to highlight Andrew Lane X's name in chat every time I look at his messages now, because this is what I see. And No Booty also does this, so I need to do the same thing to figure out who it is. Ethan says, wait, I subbed earlier, what? It says I subbed even though I already did. I don't know how Twitch works. Enable readable colors? Yeah, the problem with readable colors is I don't like the colors that it picks. And it takes some of the ones that are already, in my opinion, readable. Where's the little setting? Oh, non-mod settings. Readable colors. Yeah, like it makes you readable here, but like it changes my name to this like weird purple that I don't like. I'd rather keep it as the blue. But whatever. I could just like write my own custom code that only fixes your name, which would probably work, but anyway. Hey, what's up, Cypher? Hello. Yo, I don't think I've seen you in a real long time. Am I wrong? I feel like you were on the stream like a year ago. Welcome back though. It's good to see you. It says help. Staff helps those who help themselves. Okay, so I didn't really do much programming offline. I did do some, but I don't remember what repository it was in, and it doesn't show up in my pull request, so clearly it wasn't there. Oh, I remember what it was. Max actually did this. I didn't do the original code, but I adjusted some of the code. Max added a setting to PyUpgrade, which allows you to retain mock There's an auto upgrade which will rewrite it, but there are cases where you would actually want to keep it because it can change, you know, this particular class, which is not in Python 3.6 or 3.7. Was this new in 3.8? I don't know. I don't do async stuff all that much, but there are reasons that somebody would want to keep the old mock module around. I don't agree with them, but whatever. I'll add a setting because it can break code. So we added a keep mock option. It was originally called no mock, but then I renamed it. So that's one thing I did offline. Cypher says no, maybe 2 months back. Oh, I meant to do follow age of Cypher. Follow age. Oh man, your name is interesting. Oh, 6 months. Okay. Huh. I must be misremembering. Anyway, Ethan says share the source and I will fix it. That's funny. Hey, what's up, Zolor? Hello, hello. Injunex says, if you do, force my color to 009D83. Is that the Ubuntu color? I'm not doing that. Seems like not the best strategy there. But yeah, I did that. So the plan for today, actually, I'm going to do one thing before we even get started. I've decided that I'm actually just going to stick to a stream schedule for the foreseeable future. So we're going to update my little overlay thing, or my offline thing. Whoops. And the way that currently works today, so we're gonna get to do some web dev. The way it works is I have this this little HTML file here, and I render it in a browser and then take a screenshot of the browser, and I do this automatically using Selenium, which is pretty cool. But this is what it kind of looks like. But I'm gonna change it from, you know, I'm gonna keep the same Saturday one, but I'm gonna do Monday, Wednesday, Friday at noon, because that's kind of what I've been doing anyway, even without scheduling it. And sometimes I'll start at noon 30 because because I'm not great at keeping particular times, and some days I'll skip. But Monday, Wednesday, Friday, I've got this little bullet point that I'm not going to be able to copy and paste, so we're going to keep it there. Noon. Oh, I closed Firefox. I didn't mean to do that. Hopefully this fits. If it doesn't fit, I'll play with the font sizes. Alright, let's see what happens when I generate this. Oh, it's your green. Oh, okay, cool. Noon 30, yes. Mom Fox says, did you change your sheets? Yes. They're different today. Chat notices everything. Yeah, we could shorten it if it doesn't fit. Let's see what it looks like, though. Nautilus. Fuck. Okay, yeah. We'll do mun wed fry. Hopefully that'll work. Ooh, I like this song. This is some good jams. I started a different point in the playlist today, so we're gonna get some different music. Friday, yes. Hey, what's up, Hungry Hippo? Hello, hello. A little bit of web dev, not that much web dev. This seems fine. I kind of don't like the slashes though. What if I do pipes? Or ampersands? Ampersand seems the most programming appropriate. Let's see what it looks like though. It might look real dumb. Yeah, that looks stupid. Let's try pipes. X like slightly better-ish? I don't know. Michael Fox says my face went. Yeah. My face went noon Pacific. Yes. Hungry Angry Hippo says, so when's that 24-hour stream I've heard rumors of? Someone needs to redeem their channel points and then it'll happen. Hey, what's up, Forsen? X-Lift Eng marries simp Twitch follower. I mean, you're not simping very good, Forsen. You're not even subscribed. Come on, buddy. Get with it. Commas?
Will this message be read? Kappa Kipo.
It will, C-Complex. Thank you for the resubscription 7 months in a row. Man, you got quite the streak going there. Will this message be read? Kappa Kipo. Yes. But thank you for the resub. Does that mean I need to lose a button? I should have lost a button earlier, though. Alright, we'll lose a button for C-Complex. Or is that only for gift subs? I forget how it works. Thug. Maybe if I put non-breaking spaces around it, it'll look better. MBSP. I don't know why I'm being so perfectionist about this. It's just a thing that no one really sees anyway. I still need to do the, there's like an actual Twitch feature for setting a schedule. I still haven't done that yet. Partially because I haven't found the little setting, because it's buried somewhere. Okay, I like that. That looks good enough. Alright, CP offline this to here. Git commit -shem update stream schedule. Oh man, I'm so far behind in chat. She says just MWF is nice. Yeah, I think I'm gonna stick with this. Commas, we're gonna do this. Oh, capitalize? No, we don't press the shift key here, Cypher. We don't press the shift key. So that's not gonna work. The Unbike says 100,000 channel points is impossible though. The Endless River the Endless River already has 100,000 channel points. They just haven't redeemed them yet. Hey, what's up, Vape Juice Jordan? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Vape Juice Jordan also streams. So, oh, you're not in chat though. You followed, but you're not in chat. Why? Why, friend? That way I can't tab complete. But thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. But yeah, Forsen says I'm a broke student simp. Please, King. It's true. Hey, what's up, Bix Plays? Haven't seen you in a while. Hello, hello. Welcome back. And Jason J. Phillips, hello as well. Use commas, use commas. Nah, we're going with this. Hungry Hippo says, how many buttons does that shirt have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 buttons. 7 buttons, friend. Victor Jordan says, I'm here, I promise. Oh, I don't know why it wouldn't let me tab complete though. Michael Fox says, Victor Jordan, hey, go fuck yourself. Isn't Jordan's thing to, what is it, frig off? Is that what it is? I don't know, I've watched a couple of your streams. And Broken Mirrors, hello, hello. Okay, we generated this image, get push origin head. Now I need to update it in Streamlabs. Ooh, Juice has gifted a sub to Juice, but different juices. Thank you for the gift sub. Now you have the emotes, Vape Juice Jordan. Oh, is that one button? Is that what this game is? All right. There we go, chat. So much juice in here, right? Okay, what was I doing? We're going to channel dashboard. How do I change the offline image is the question. This is Brave. Why am I showing this? Oh, I clicked on the wrong one too. This is the one that I want, dashboard. Oh, I'll just do this later. That's too much work. Okay, anyway, I've generated this. We're changing my schedule. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, noon. or sometimes noon 30. The other thing that I wanted to do today before I jump into the actual stuff that I want to work on is I want to make a new release of Flake 8. No, it's not on GitHub. So you'll see what I do to do that. Jordan says, I don't believe in Python, so I can't use the emote, sadly. I see. Wait, Juice, why didn't your emote work? Did you typo your own emote? Sticky Juices, says C Complex. Hungry Harpa says, all I can think of when you view your own stream is when you made that weird gurgling sound and creep yourself out. Yeah, yo, that was wild. Michael Fox says, no Saturday streams? No, we're going to continue doing the Saturday streams. It's just now it will be Saturday and Monday, Wednesday, Friday. So 4 days a week. 4 days of this guy. She says, oh, I uploaded private versions of that emote. It's probably gone during the transition. Oh, I see. You don't just get like Insta approved because of your staff? No special treatment? But yeah, okay, so we want to make a release of Flake 8. Git log one line first parent. This is how I generate the changelog as I look at all of the previous changes up until this point. There's only one that's like kind of a big deal, which I believe is this one. I don't know though. But the most annoying part of maintaining this library is making a release, because you have to do a bunch of kind of annoying work. To look through each of the changelogs, catch syntax error. Oh yeah, this was the big one. The other one was like a little sort of minor. You can't approve your own emotes. I guess not. You says, I'm an affiliate. You obviously get no special treatment. Ah, so you have to wait 1 to 2 weeks to get an emote approved. Okay. Let's look at the previous release. So this is a really annoying thing about get show for whatever reason. So even though I passed the name only flag, it still spews all this other crap that is clearly not just names. This is the only output that I want. And I've learned there's a little hack to get around this. You can do -- format equals and just pass nothing there. Oh, that doesn't work. Fuck. It works for light tags, but not heavy tags, I guess. Man, really annoying. Real fucking pain in the ass. I guess I can do this instead. Git show name only format equals. There we go. So this is what I wanted to modify. So we're gonna make we're gonna make the 383 release. Oh, you guys can't see that. Fug. Okay, let me show this on the other screen. We'll copy this command over to that one. We're just switching screens. Okay, because this is less interesting. Okay, so we're gonna make a 383.rst, so we'll leave that alone. But we do need to add this here. And we need to change this version number. What am I supposed to change in this file? What did I change in that file? Oh. Black must have decided to reformat this out of nowhere. I don't understand. Oh well. She says, once upon a time, I could do all those things, but they locked down all customer support permissions 1.5 years ago. Oh, I see. JB Pratt says, what the fuck, we sign commits now? No, we just sign tags. Yeah, I don't sign commits. I don't like signing commits. Because, I don't know, I think it's not useful. But signing tags, I feel like, is kind of okay. Juice says, I had a friend in customer support once, and then they asked me out, and I said no. And now that bridge is burned to me forever. Rip. Oh no. Little Fox says P0 issue approve my edgy emotes. I mean, I need to have some edgy emotes. Let's make it happen. Baby G Jordan says, imagine being a functional adult able to handle rejection. Couldn't be me. Yikes. That feel win. Okay, so I don't actually need to modify that file. But I do need to copy doc source release notes. 3.8.2, we're gonna make a new 3.8.3. Doc source release notes 3.8.3. Then we gotta modify all of this. What is today's date? It is 6 something. Where's Anthon63 Prey? Yo, you know, that would be great. Like, me with the hat on, just like sitting here thinking. Be a good emote. I think it's the 8th. Yeah. But maybe like a cartoon version, because I don't know, the photo ones don't seem to turn out that well. IMO. Okay, so we're gonna remove that. But I want to keep the structure. I'm guessing this is milestone 36, but I should validate that. It is. Cool. And then we need to look at all of these things. 662. Okay. Also catch syntax errors when tokenizing. See also GitLab. I fucking hate GitLab. 433 and GitLab. This is the boring part of the stream where I write RST. 662? Yeah. Why is the formatting fucked? Is that not valid RST? I don't know. I don't know how RST works. I hate RST. It's so bad. 662 and what was that? 433. Okay. June 8th, 2020. Yes, snapshot. Thank you. Hey, what's up, Parset? Hello. Welcome back. Get the hat. Not super warm today, so I can wear the hat. You guys happy? Although the hat with the headphones looks pretty derpy. Ju says, I said I'd find you an emote artist, but instead I've not done those things at all. Hey, what's up, Guy BB? Hello to you as well. Man, I didn't realize that I did that until somebody pointed out, and now I can't stop thinking about it. That I say, welcome, and hello. Ancient X says, move the chair, take out the headphones, and take a screenshot. What do you mean? But then you would see like all the crap on my desk in the background, and my end table in the background. Or my bed, my wall, or anything else. He's going full hacker mode, yeah. Blue everything. I am like very blue today. Although my there are things that I'm wearing that are not blue. We'll just leave it at that. That's a little bit of a creepy thing to say, Snapshot. Mindful Fox, every follow counts as Peak Anthony. Yo. Mindful Fox, the real OG. Ethan says, my face when I have 2 pages of GitHub notifications. Yes. I know that feel because I woke up this morning and I had 21 GitHub emails. I've mostly gotten through all of them, although we will be working on some of those in a bit as well. Hey, what's up, Rasmus A1? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hello. I see you in chat as well. Ah, I did it again. God damn it. It's fine. I'm just gonna embrace it at this point. I will forever be hello, hello. Yes, fix jobs argument in help output. This was actually contributed by. Why does it not show who the merge commit was? By RKJ, who might be in chat today. Are you in chat today, RKJ? Oh, you're not in chat today. Anyway, they're here usually. Let's see, fix jobs default display in flake-a-help. See also get lab, get alb. Where did that go? 434 and get lab issue number 665. Slightly less than evil. No periods at the end, I guess. $434. Okay, cool. That's basically all I need to do for a release. What did I do for the last release as my commit message? Release, get commit -m release 3.8.3. There's also a set of instructions I'm supposed to run as well. Rasmus A1 says, how often do you stream? I stream Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday. At noon on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and 11 on Saturdays. Pacific time. There's like a how to releases. Prepare release, do that. Yeah, I did that already. We're releasing, run all these talks environments. Talks-sheet pi 27 pi 36 pi 37 pi linters and dog food. It doesn't say dog food, but I know I'm supposed to run dog food also. Let's also run all the tests. The reason we do this is because we don't have a continuous deployment of this. Oh, I forgot to update it in the description. Oh, let me fix that as well. That one's easy, right? I can just do that from here. Shh. Oh, I tried to shush it, but I instead made it loud. Okay, no, that's not what we want to edit, right? This one. Yes. Monday, Wednesday, Friday at noon Pacific. Cool. Although sometimes it'll be noon 30. Sometimes it'll be noon 30. What the hell is dog food? Dog food is where Flake 8 runs Flake 8 on Flake 8. It's a little bit meta. Because Flake 8 is a linter framework. Which... I feel like I can say that about most of the shit that I work on. Well, you know, it's a linter framework. Okay. But I think that's up to... Oh, I need to press save? Maybe? One day I'll fix this out. Cool. Monday, Wednesday, Friday at noon Pacific. Cool. Hey, what's up, Coder Dodo? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully your day is going well. Mine's going pretty well. Is this up to date? Reasonably. There's other stuff I could put in here. Indeed, instructional / educational content. I do some of that. Isn't that cyclic? Yeah, it's a little bit meta. Why do you use Babby? Are you a noob? Yes, I am the noobiest of noobs. You got me, buddy. Okay, cool. So all these passed. The next step is to run this. I don't really like running this command because it does too much in my opinion. And it does Python 2, which like, ain't nobody got time for that. Opt vm bin python. So I just do this instead. It does the same thing though. Bdist wheel. And then upload to PyPI. And we're not gonna type a password there. We're gonna use a password manager because we're clever like that. So it's the PyPI password, not to be confused with the PyPI password. Okay, and then we do get tag sign 3.8.3, and yes, we're gonna sign a tag. Weird, huh? And then I gotta grab that from the password manager. And then we do get push origin head dash tags. Didn't type it on my keyboard cam. That's it. So that's how we release Flake 8. Easy peasy. Cypher says, I'm trying to work with Redis and Celery Beat for the first time. It's fucked up on Windows. Welcome to like most Python libraries on Windows. In case anyone didn't realize, I copied that question from the FAQ. Yes. WVV says, who's close to getting 100,000 babbies? How many babbies do you have, Angelinax? Did it work? Are you looking at this? Yay, 383. We did it. And then I can close the milestone, which is cool. And yet another bug fix. Ethan says, dev on Windows is pain. I do it a lot, but it is pain. Yeah, me too. Me too. Broken Mirror says, just make me one babby. I'm ready. Simp harder, Broken Mirrors. Maybe it'll happen. The other server has 100,000. Yes, that's true. It's true. Hey, what's up, GM Knight? Welcome back. How's your day going? What am I looking at here? Oh, speaking of developing on Windows. Speaking of developing on Windows, we're gonna look at a Windows bug today. Apparently, sometimes on Windows, using -- files does not work. So we're gonna try and figure out why. I have a sneaking suspicion that it's due to the shell that they're using, but we're gonna try and figure it out and see what happens. Hungry Hippo says, everyone's gonna save up babbies and then it'll just be constant 24-hour streams. No, so as soon as somebody redeems one of them, I'm gonna change it to 200,000. Because there's no way that I'm gonna be able to constantly do 24-hour streams. Because I imagine that I'm gonna lose my fucking mind while we do it. But it'll be fine. We'll see what happens. Okay, so I'm gonna try and reproduce their configuration here. I believe that they only need this to trigger it. Well, actually, we could probably simplify it even further. Git at github.com. We're just going to use any old repository. First, I want to make sure that it works on Linux, even though I know it works on Linux. There's nothing special about this, but we're going to modify this. Oh, but we're gonna use tests instead. Exclude a negative look ahead of this. Why didn't they just do this? That would have been way better. Way less confusing. Maybe they're targeting an older version of Precommit? I don't know. What version we got here? We're actually using an old version of Precommit. Actually, let's just blow that away. And then my computer will be slightly broken. Alright, I'm typing a password, but it's intentionally bad password. It's really just so that when I get sudo prompted, I need to type something in and not just like accidentally sudo stuff. What did this change? Oh, it changed my pigeon settings. I probably just need to grab this, because I probably just have an old pigeon XML. Okay, so that should have upgraded pre-commit version. Cool. And if we do pre-commit run -- files test slash this, that should install and run black. Okay, so that worked fine. I wonder if you do this. No, that works too. Okay, so it definitely works on Linux. Let's try, oops, let's try on Windows. Man, that was a weird animation. Did you see that? This is wacky. I don't like that. Okay, we don't need Nautilus though. We can close that. Oh, you guys can't see that. It's off screen. What? I'm running command prompt on Linux. What is this wizardry? CD here. Do I have virtualenv installed? I do. Install pre-commit and BAMI. Like my two favorite things to work on. Ours it says 500k is a better change. Yeah. You limit it to 1 redemption per stream. Is that really an option, or would I have to do that manually? Like human way to do that? Couldn't they just redeem another 24-hour stream each time he does a 24-hour stream? Yes. You could make it so I constantly do it. What the fuck is going on here? That was weird. It like paused until I pressed enter. Does this work here? No, there's no control end. But there are some keyboard shortcuts that just don't work on Windows. There's nothing I can do about it. So we'll do exclude tests, similar to before. And then we do pre-commit run -- files test slash just \. And we'll see if it works. Give it more time to disable it. Yeah, probably. Agribus says, I'm surprised it won't just be a once per month or once per quarter type of thing. It might end up being that way. Ethan says, wow, wine has come so far. Yes. Huh. Holy shit. It doesn't work. What happens if we do /? I am very surprised. Lib site packages. No. God, I hate Windows. Why are you such a pain in the ass? Oh, and there's no Control K, of course. Okay, so for args, we have files. This is what I expect to see here. Do they get mangled to something else? Okay, now they're mangled to that. That's not good. Do they get mangled back? Okay. Okay. Ah, they get turned into fucking backslashes. I could have sworn that I changed these so that they're always /. Where does that code happen? Where does that code happen? Just in here. This song's another good jam. Code happens here. Oh. Oh, I see. The global filtering happens before we actually adjust the file names. That's a problem. Cool. All right. Should be an easy fix then. Nginx says, "What are you typing?" What do you mean? What am I typing? I'm writing code in a terminal. It's you know, just code stuff. What do you think I'm typing? Coder Dodo says, "What kind of virtualization do you use for running your VMs?" I actually have a YouTube video about this, which usually somebody has posted in the chat by now, but I will find it for you. But it's on youtube.com/AnthonyWritesCode, where I upload educational content as well as my previous streams. And where is it? Here we go. And this video here goes over my setup and how I configure all this stuff there. Hey, what's up, Drivevac? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully your day is going well. But yeah, I use VirtualBox, and the settings are there. Hey, what's up, TeckleDev? Thank you as well for the follow. Hello, hello. Ethan says, "Oh, if you highlight text in command prompt, the output buffer pauses until you deselect the buffer." Oh, I think I knew that. I think I just didn't notice that I was using that. Ethan says, "Install Clink, it's awesome." So usually I use git bash. So usually that works there. The thinking face would be a brilliant emote. I agree. This, but like as a like, you know, chibi me or something. You were typing off screen earlier. Well, I was probably messaging people. Hey, what's up? The on the server says, hey, how is my favorite ex-Lyft engineer doing? It's going well. Although I'm out of water, so I gotta get more water. I think I'm gonna do that. And my dishwasher just dinged, so I'm gonna go let it vent, because otherwise it doesn't dry very well. And I'm gonna move my laundry along. So I'll see you guys in a couple minutes. I'll be right back. We're back. Hello, chat. How's it going? Oh fuck! I forgot to unplug. Oh no! I forgot to unplug my dishwasher. Actually, I'll be right back in a sec. Sorry. Although first, I will say hi to Michaela. Hello, hello. Thank you for the host. Sorry. If I don't unplug it now, it's just gonna beep continuously and it's gonna drive me up a fucking wall. So I'll see you guys in a sec. Sorry. Alright. I don't know why that thing is so fucking needy. But like, if I were designing a dishwasher and it's off and it's plugged in, I would just be like, whatever, not a big deal. Just like, I'll just idle here. But no, this dishwasher's like, beep, beep, I'm unplugged, or I'm plugged in. Beep, beep. Just like, oh, fuck off. But anyway. But yeah, it's going well, on the server. Glad you can stop by. Stream for only 50 minutes. Wow, yeah. I feel like I've gotten a lot done for only 50 minutes, right? Juice says, when is the 24-hour stream? And the server says, when I start hating my bachelor thesis, so I have a reason to do something else for one day. Oh, Michaela, this is good. Let me also point out that I'm not just a single Twitch viewer watching on weekends. I'm the lead for a team of viewers watching internal streams at a Fortune 500 company. This is something that will become part of my viewers' workflow and CI, covering over 30 Twitch streams and growing. In addition, I'm mentoring several junior Twitch viewers and teaching them better viewing practices, and was the one who introduced them to introduce the use of Twitch to the team. I missed a notification. I did. Andrew is also hosting me. Hello, hello, friend. Hey, what's up, Sergey? How's it going? Welcome back. Beep, beep. Yeah, my fucking spool machine. Beeping away. Hey, what's up, Oilers2718? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. I said it's saved for 2 days waiting for you to stream. Okay, so this is a reference. Let me show you guys what it's a reference to. Man, this had me pretty peeved the other day. But this one. Okay, go away. So this is an issue on Flake 8, which asked to implement a very, very specific feature. And I'm already planning to do something that would make this obsolete, but in a different way. Which is asking to disable particular codes for no QA. And yeah, and I misinterpreted it first off, but then I understood what they meant, and I want to implement this as strict no QA eventually, which would disable the blanket no QA and only require specific no QA. And then they posted this essay, and I was like, I don't really want that. Here's another way you can already do it today. And then they posted this essay, and I was like, no, again, I really don't want that. And then they posted this essay, which includes this where is it? Here it is. this gem right here. Let me also point out that I'm not just a single user tinkering on weekends. I'm the lead for a team of engineers developing internal projects at a Fortune 500 company. This is something that will become part of my team's workflow and CI, covering over 30 repositories of code. Man, 30 repositories. I have more than that on GitHub. This is small fry. In addition, I'm mentoring several junior engineers and teaching them better development practices, and was the one who introduced them to the use of Flake 8. But yeah, that's where the copy pasta is from, but I don't really get why people think that oh, I'm dying. Why adding more text into an issue comment makes it more likely for me to say yes, but really never works. Panzerbird says, suppose. How's it going? Hello, hello. Have you been here before? I feel like I haven't seen you before. Anyway, welcome. Other says, hiya, working on my deep learning project while watching this. Nice! Intro the Next says, why does GitLab use dash in the URL? This is actually a new thing for GitLab, which I really don't understand. And not all of the old URLs redirect. Oh, that one redirects, but I don't know why they put the dash there. I don't know. He gets paid by the word, yeah. Rasmus says, how long have you been programming in Python? I think I wrote my first Python code in 2012. And it was targeting Python 2.4, which was old even then. I also wrote some Python 2.6 in 2012. I've come a long way, I guess. Panzerbird says, nope, but I like Python. Awesome. Well, hopefully we'll be doing some Python today. But yeah, this is the bug. This is definitely the bug in pre-commit. Why does the classifier not do this classification? Oh, is the classifier just for types? Okay, I can now reproduce this. It seems that when I switched everything to use forward slashes for the regexes, I forgot to handle global files slash exclude. By the way, your configuration can be a little bit simpler by doing files. What was their thing called? Trays. Still doesn't work until I fix this bug, though. Thanks for the report. I am working on this on stream right now. There's no way they're gonna get this before I'm done with stream, but I'll put it on there anyway. So this is no longer a question, it is now a bug. Panzerbirds is such a good name, though. Yeah, you're right. Hey, what's up, Pew Pew P? Yo yo yo, hello hello. Have you been here before? I feel like you're new as well. Welcome to the stream. Hey, what's up, Yoi? Hello hello. You've been here before. I've seen your name. The answer says, is there an easy pure Python way of getting the MAC address? uuid.getNode only gives a weird integer. You mean like the network interface address? I don't know. I've not tried to do that before. Hey, what's up, Sandriel? Hello, hello. Do you stream? Your name sounds familiar. How do I view this? Can I view your channel? Why does your name sound familiar? Oh, you do stream. You stream a lot. Holy shit. 106,000 views. Crazy time. I missed the close parenthesis. Fair. I haven't typed any code yet. On GitHub? Oh. This looks fine. What are you talking about? Oh, I double print. Man. Fucking. How do I English? You know it's bad when I put a parenthesis inside of a parenthesis. I could have also, like, done M dash as well. And then I would have had an M dash with a parenthesis. Buddy system, right, Juice? Yeah. PPP says, I started learning Python 1 month ago, and I'm halfway through A Beginner's Guide to Python by John Hunt. I look forward to learning from your videos. Awesome. Yeah, I do put up some educational videos. Unfortunately, they're not in any sort of order. So you kind of have to look at the titles and see like what stuff might interest you and click around for those. And yeah, I try to label them like what levels they're targeted at though. So if you see like beginner, intermediate, like those will be ones that'll be good for just like starting. Hey, what's up, RKJ? Welcome back. We actually we talked about you a little bit earlier. You made it. How do I show this? Get Oh yeah, it's mirrored to Flagate. But yeah, we talked about you earlier because I released your fix that you did for Flagate. The fix for your own breakage. It's fine though. I'm glad you fixed it. Sundreal says, does GitHub take any cut from the sponsor money? Currently, I don't think they do. In fact, it looks like they do some matching right now. But yeah, I don't believe they take any money. Why isn't this highlighted? All these other ones are. Also, this is out of date. I should update this. I'll do that later. Hey, what's up, PPP? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hey, what's up, C3301? Hello, hello. The fix for my own bug. Yes, RKJ. Panzerbird says, I've never actually tried pre-commit. Been wanting to try it for a while though. Well, if you want the like TLDR, I can do that real quick. Hey, what's up, Neckgetter? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. The basics, the very basics, and why you would want to use it is you can set up a very small configuration file. I mean, it could be a big configuration file if you have a bunch of tools. But basically, you list some repositories to get tools from, the version you want to target, and whatever tools you want. So in this case, it's setting up some white space fixers as well as a YAML checker and the code formatter black. And pre-commit knows how to integrate with a bunch of Git hooks, one of them being pre-commit. I know, it's poorly named. I go back in time and be like, damn it, Anthony, don't call it pre-commit. Call it something else. It's too late for that now. And it knows how to install those tools and then run them against your files and, you know, integrate with like CI and stuff as well. That's the basics of pre-commit. It's kind of my baby. It's what I've spent most of my open source time working on. And it's definitely my most popular, most used thing that I've created. RKJ says, I was actually wondering if there was a Flagate plugin which checks if objects have their own stir. So the thing is, most objects should not have stir. Repr, though, or you mean classes? Most classes should not have stir. I do think like most should have repr though, but repr is a little bit different. But you could write a linter for that. It'd be pretty easy. You know, you could do. Let's see. I get clone. Is this the simplest one? Yeah. Oh no, Flagate Walrus is even simpler. So you could do something like, actually this would be hard because you'd need to deal with inheritance. Because you could inherit from something that has a stir and a repr. Okay, maybe it's not easy, but you could like look through each of the members in a class and make sure that they have the right functions defined. So you could do something like that. Michaela says automate the updating of it. Update everything. Oh, Pew Pew says the P is silent. Okay, I will call you Pew Pew then. So ew, yeah. Oh, that's good, Panzerbird. C301 says hi chat and hi Anthony. Hello. The other server says, what else than the Mac adder can I use to get something that is individual/unique but always the same for each machine? But you can actually change your Mac address, so even that is not super unique. Yeah. Andrew Lennox says, can pre-commit run a bash file? Yes. The language for that is script, and script can actually run like any sort of script, so it doesn't have to be bash. It could also be, you know, like a Python script or a Ruby script, or it's really just like anything that you do /foo and run. And it has portability so that you can run those scripts on Windows, even though Windows doesn't support shebangs. It will also do that as well. Michaela says, I thought Babby was your baby. Babby's my other baby. Michaela says, double under shaken, not double under stirred. Dunder 007, yo. Good follow-up on that one, keeping track of this account. Oh, that's funny. RKJ says, was watching your Flagate plugin from scratch video earlier. Nice. J Pratt says, my Go executables? Yes, it can run Go executables as well. Babby is for babies. Am I the baby now? Okay, let's actually fix this bug. You need to figure out where classifier gets used. Git grab classifier. Yeah, we need to do this earlier. Shoot. Hey, what's up, Zolceramo? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. So one thing that I could do here is... actually... Let's see how it gets used. Because I suspect that there's not actually that many entry points. We really only care about it in the pre-commit directory. We can always adjust the tests. Oops. Just used one of my favorite little tricks about Bash. You can type FC and it'll give you an editor where you can edit the previous command. And then it'll run the command that you put into your editor, which is kind of cool. Okay. Why do I do this separately? That's the first question. Hey, what's up, Alex Togo? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully your day's going well. Classifier. Check all hooks match files. So this could also do that same initialization with the root stuff there. So that one can be updated. What does classifier get used for here? Okay, I can also do that here. Okay, so we're just going to change classifier to have an additional option, or additional constructor, I guess, here. Class method def from config, and we're gonna have file names, which is gonna be a sequence of stir, and we're going to have include, which is a stir, and exclude, which is a stir. Just gonna return a classifier. And we manually tab this out because I still haven't written a macro to do this. Should really just do that at some point. And we'll do the implementation there. Pew says, can I ask you, I want to make an app on my phone. How would I handle a CRM? Would I be able to keep it locally and secure? Is MySQL only online? So you can use databases on your phone. It's pretty common that you can set up something like SQLite, which is a database that'll run, you know, as a flat file with, you know, in-process database management. So you could set up something like that. I used SQLite on a phone before. I want to say I used it in an iOS app that I wrote a while back. But the thing about SQLite is then it would be only local to the phone. Like you wouldn't be able to like copy the, I mean, you can copy the SQLite database around, but in order to like synchronize it with another device, you would need to like write some special code that does that. But yeah, that would be how I would handle it. The Chelmega says, hey, recently saw you doing something that disappointed me. Instead of watching history being made, you were streaming. Smile. What's happening right now? Is there another SpaceX launch? Some shit like that? We are history, says Angelina X. Yeah. The stream does not compare to Demo Mission 2. What is Demo Mission 2? Demo Mission 2. Didn't this already happen? Yeah, but you're right. I streamed over that. I just didn't really care. Spartan Gator, welcome back, says, I think phones largely use SQLite at this point and should be encrypted at rest by the operating system. Probably not encrypted, to be honest. Probably not encrypted. But you could encrypt it if you needed to. Actually, it depends on the phone. Like, I'm pretty sure iOS might encrypt it, but I'm pretty sure Android does not. Ace Death Kill says Firebase is good. I have not worked with Firebase at all. Inchloot says hello, my little brother. Do I have another brother from another mother? And are you that person, Inchaloots? I'm the oldest in my family that I know of. It's possible I have a brother, but I don't know. Springgator says, so how does the mobile OS sandbox each app then? Yeah, it depends. And if you have a rooted phone, like, where's your sandboxing now? Pew Pew says, thank you for the response. I will look into SQLite. I have an Android phone, and I want to keep all the info as secure as possible and not online. Yeah, SQLite would probably be a decent-ish choice. And you could, like, encrypt it with a password or something. Might be an idea. Ethan says, Firebase is easy to use, but the security is garbage from what I've read. I see. Melting Lava says, just finished the bachelor thesis that goes heavily into Firebase, or rather the theorem behind why it's set up like it is. I see. Spargator says, bruh, flat file JSON, you encrypt yourself, next level. It's true. Cat5 says, those 7 keys look crucial. These ones? Yeah, they are pretty crucial. They let me do selfie mode. Sorry. So this one is, I think this one's my YouTube episodes. It's muted though. And that was the episode I recorded yesterday. This is the selfie mode for my YouTube channel. And then this button, well, this button right here. So title screen for YouTube, selfie mode for YouTube, end screen for YouTube, selfie mode for streaming, normal this view for streaming, and then this is my be right back screen. And then this one triggers a layer, and I haven't programmed the second layer yet. And then this knob does volume, and this one does page up and page down. You can also click these, but I don't remember what they do. Sebastian says, what editor is this? Oh, did my bot crash? My bot crashed. All right, try that again. Try that again in the endless server. Apparently, Ethan saying no GitHub matches sponsor money was enough to kill the bot. Bot's back now. We're good. I really need to make it work better. Michaela says, which one activates the camera underneath your desk? Are you trying to see my feet, Michaela? Is that what's going on? Yeah, the bot's dead. It's back now. But yeah, the editor is called Babby. I wrote it from scratch. It is my own text editor. Ace Death Kill says, well, I'll use Android's Room ORM. Don't use SQLite directly now in 2020. I like SQLite. Precommit uses SQLite. Bang joke. How to explain the movie Inception to a programmer? When you run a VM inside another VM inside another VM, everything runs real slow. That's true. Cat5 with the Bang OnlyFans. I see. Don't have one of those yet. Juice says, I gotta go. Have a good stream. Thanks for stopping by. I'll see you around. The Gel Mega says, Anthony, no one wants to see your feet. I see. Stubox says, I like TinyDB. I've not worked with TinyDB. Something in my house is making a really annoying noise. It's like a teapot, but I know you guys can't hear it, but maybe it's outside? Oh, it's driving me nuts. Fucking insane. Okay, it stopped now. Yeah, paste the YouTube video in there. That's what we wanted. Oh, it's back again. No. Those should be files. We'll call it include. Oh, we also need to do this up here. Okay. I think that's good. Then we gotta change all of the other calls to this. Okay, with the bangarang. Is it you? No, I'm not making the noise, but that's what it sounds like. I think that thing dislikes you for using Python. It could be the Gel Mega. Maybe the ghost that keeps knocking stuff over is making tea now. Yeah, wouldn't surprise me there. Alex Togo says, "Do you use regular terminal?" Yes and no. This is GNOME terminal, but I have one modification to it. I have re-enabled tab tearing because tab tearing can cause a crash in GNOME terminal, so it was disabled upstream. But I apply this patch to re-enable it. I'll just delete this if 0. Which makes it so that, you know, when you have a window over here, I can make a new window by doing that. And the crash happens if I grab a window and I drag it on top of another tab or another window. And it's a slow crash. It used to crash like instantly, but now it takes like, you know, 30 to 60 seconds before it realizes that, oh, I done goofed. I dereferenced the null. I die now. But yeah. Okay, so now I'm gonna fix all the calls to classifier from config. I don't like that that line is too long. What if this is from CFG? Nope. Whatever. Whatever. That's fine. Oh. Gotta do this anyway. Cool. And... oh, this is off screen. I missized my windows today. Unless... weird. Anyway. Fixed. Recommit, meta hooks, startup pie. Zoller says, interesting bug. I use regular terminal, but I debate trying tmux. Yeah, tmux is kind of nice. I don't like using it because it breaks the mouse, and I use the mouse a lot. And the keyboard shortcuts are a little bit strange to me. But, I mean, to each their own, I guess. Config file. Hey, Suiku, thank you for the subscription. Appreciate it. With Twitch Prime. Stupak says, one can change the key bindings. Yeah, I know. But, like, I'd rather it just work like terminal tabs. Terminal tabs work completely fine for me. Like, I can switch between them if I'm focused on my VM. Like, this works well enough for me. We don't need this tab anymore. What's going on here? Oh, I'm hitting tab. That's why. Keeb. IPsec makes me want to try tmux. I see. RKJ says the new Windows terminal is dope. I don't know that I've used it yet. I have the old one. The old Windows terminal. The old beta of Windows terminal. Which is just like a PowerShell reskin. Sweeky says, no problem, the least I can do. I love your YouTube series as always. Nice. So I'm glad you appreciate it. I believe there's a command for it. Bang explains? Yeah, there we go. Stuag says, I know what you mean, but just to clarify, I think tmux came before terminal tabs. Probably. Yeah, I mean, tabbing is like surprisingly a new-ish feature, given how ubiquitous it is now. Like, I remember, tabbed web browsers were the fucking rage. Man, people lost their shit over that. That was some good stuff there. I don't need to load this twice. I just noticed an interesting thing here. If we pre-filter, we're gonna have a problem here, so we gotta do that. But do that. See if these still pass. Specify normalizes files on Windows to /. Oh, we need to give it the new caller there. Classifier dot from config. Include is empty string. Exclude is this. Cool. Unfortunately, this is just kind of like a refactor that fixes the bug, so it's kind of hard to demo this bug. The answer says, earlier people lost their shit, now they lose their brand. What? I don't get it. Hey, what's up, Bjorn Novembrums? Oh man, I totally butchered that, but thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. And Sinks123, thank you as well for the follow. Hello, hello. Hopefully your day is going well. Okay, this is just a refactor so far. Oh, about tabbed web browsers. Yeah, that's true. But I mean, you used to do windowed web browsers, which was even more crazy. Test meta hooks. Bug. Hey, what's up, Cartman's W? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. I probably fucked up this. Yeah, I did. This should be file names. Cartman's W says, cool, just found this stream. I'm a beginner at Python, but eager to learn, so this is cool. Sub to your YouTube now, too. Awesome, thank you for the subscription. Appreciate it. I'm getting real close to being able to monetize on YouTube. I'm so close. Studio. Yeah, I need 48 more subscribers, and then I can make pennies from YouTube. But anyway, if you guys haven't subscribed to me on YouTube, it's free. You can click the button. Grown. First it says eager. Yes. Stupak says people used to like competition because it increased innovation, but now all we use is Chromium. So how do I do this? Can I show this without PII? Oh, that'll give. Yeah, no, this is fine. I still use Firefox. So I only use Chrome when I stream. So yeah. That's why you get Chrome on this. Alex says, hey Anthony, what's your opinion on property-based testing? I've just tried it out on a small project, but still can't make up my mind if it's worth using. I think property-based testing is pretty cool. Basically, you define a system that should describe how your code works, and then the property-based testing system will generate examples of all of those. And as soon as, you know, it'll either like find bugs or not find bugs, and like it'll give you a test case when things fail based on your expectations. I think it's really cool. I don't use it myself. Most of the reason that I haven't used it was because it's a little bit slow, but it's some really cool tech. I just don't use it myself. Just some other guy says, just hopping in to say thanks for developing Precommit. It's one of my favorite tools. Man, I love when people say that. That's like my favorite thing, is like when people are like, I'm really happy that you built this thing. But I'm glad you appreciate it. I really liked building it, and I really like the tool as well. But thank you, just some other guy. Hey, what's up, Stranger? Hello, hello. Stranger's a streamer, so you should check out their channel. Give them a follow. Check out their content. I use Safari and Firefox, but I'm a power user, so ignore me. I see. Roller says one less sub needed. Thank you, friend. I thought Lynx was for power users. Stranger says, example-based tests are easier to write. I use property-based testing in the fuzzing style for testing concurrency. I see. There is a good, I don't know if it's exactly property-based testing, but actually kind of is. But hypothesis, oh, of course, you can't just Google hypothesis. But hypothesis is a library in Python that helps you write stuff similar to this, where it kind of like generates a bunch of data. Is this truly property? Yeah. Often called property-based testing. You guys probably can't see that because the text is small. But yeah, I've worked a little bit with hypothesis on PyTest. We have a couple of fuzz tests that use this. But yeah. Hey, what's up, Hakatos? Hello, hello, welcome back. Juicebox0 says, Anthony writes code. Hey, just catching your stream for the first time. Thank you so much for building Precommit. It literally saved my life and married my mom, and I called it Dad now because it takes such good care of me and my family. Wait, didn't you say you were leaving, Juice? Didn't you say I gotta go? Yeah, you did say I gotta go. Or were you just being facetious? I see. Oh shit, Staff's here. We're gonna get banned, RKJ. Alex says, I've used Hypothesis. Seems nice. Yes. It was nice for the few tests that we use it for. Okay. No, I'm leaving now for real. Okay. Better put your feet away. Yes. Slash ban juicebox here. You actually can't ban staff. I've tried. uh, yeah, so the problem is writing another test for this is kind of tricky. I really should write a test for it, but I don't quite know how to. So this is probably going to have to do for now. Crocodile says, finally done rewriting my work project from Flash/jQuery to Fast API and Vue.js. Feels bad, man. I can drink now. I know that feel. She says, why would you try to ban your #1 fan, simp mod, and supporter? I wanted to see what he would do. This was before you were any of those things, Juice. This was just when you popped into the chat for the first time. Way back in, what was that, middle of May? May probably like the 11th, I want to say. Just to try, just want to see what it would do. I started with a timeout first because I wanted to see if timeout would work. I wasn't just gonna ban you. Before I realized you were a cute girl. Yikes. Anyway. Normalize slashes more. Normalize slashes even earlier on Windows for file names. Okatas says, what keyboard is this? You can type bang keyboard in the chat and it will show you what keyboard it is. And why was this not a problem before? And there's also keyboard 3, which is the one in the middle. Interesting. This should have been broken before. Why not broken? Anyway. Change that to collection, I guess. So collection allows both set and list and tuple, whereas sequence only allows things that are indexable. So that's why those two types are different and why it's not mad. Or why it was mad. She says, okay, I'm leaving now for reals. Okay, bye, Juice. The gentleman says, why do I feel pain when reading that quote? Grill? Someone said grill? There's grills here? Yeah, there was a grill. Grill's gone now. Bye, grill. Hey, what's up, Alzaburettes? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Alex Toga says, why Firefox? Security issues. I just prefer it. I used to write extensions for it, and so I know like how to mod it and stuff, and I'm more familiar with the keyboard shortcuts, even though most of them are the same now, because Firefox keeps changing them to be like Chrome for whatever reason. Also, I don't really like sending absolutely all of my telemetry to Google. So, I don't know. Hagata says, thank you, useful bot. Now I want a bottle of beer. Anthony writes code bot. And I want a bottle of beer. Can I go get a beer? What time is it? Is it afternoon? Yeah, I can get a beer. I'm gonna go get a drink. I'll be right back. And thus begins the part of the stream where Anthony gets literally nothing done. Anyway, we are drinking today the Lindman's Framboise. This is a little bottle, but it's sour. It's pretty good. I've had it a few times. And I'm drinking out of a stemless wine glass, so cheers to you guys, chat. Oh, it's good. And right. Stupak says there may be more grills. It's possible. And hello again, Alzaberetz. Hello, hello. Alex Togo said, Stranger says cute logo. What are you talking about? Stupak says, how about some Cute Browser? I have not used Cute Browser. Why does that seem Belgian to me? It does say Belgium on the bottom. So that is probably why it seems Belgium to you. Mirror Mater says, so many buttons already undone and he starts drinking anyway. Dash dash dangerous. Yes. Tupac says, have you heard the Zen of Python song? I've not. I have not. Let's check that out. Maybe I have heard this. Placed in the public domain. Alright, we're not gonna get claimed for this. Hey, what's up, Slow Coder? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Come on, start. I just want to hear the beginning of it. Oh, that's good. I like it. Cool. Thank you for that. Ali Brett says, how long have you been coding for? I've been coding for 18 years? About? Somewhere around there? I've been writing Python for about 8. And some other stuff there. Because it is Belgium, yeah. And if you wonder what framboise means, it means raspberry. Yes, it is the raspberry. A raspberry lambic. Have you ever heard Rick give you up? I have. Cartman says, what IDE would you recommend for a beginner? Or do you recommend to just start with a text editor and go from there? If you're running Python, I would suggest using like PyCharm or VS Code. PyCharm's going to be a little bit more helpful, but it's also going to be a bit clunkier and slower because it's, you know, IntelliJ. Yeah. I would recommend learning a text editor anyway, even if you're going to use an IDE full-time, just because you're going to need it every once in a while. I actually started with Visual Studio proper, and then Eclipse, and then IntelliJ, and then I've mostly been using Nano and now Babby as my text editor. Make a bot command for import this. We don't need to spam chat with all of that. That's too many lines there. Copy strike banned, right? The song slaps. It kind of does. If beautiful is better than ugly, then why is it about Python? That's some good shade, the Gel Mega. Rick gave you up on March 8th, 2020. Have you heard that one? What are you talking about? Hey, what's up? It's Babbo. Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Shouldn't it be It's Babby? Ella Burette says, bruh, you look 25. Did you start when you were 7? I'm 28, so you're close, although I appreciate the decrease in years there. But no, I started programming when I was like 10. To cheat on some math homework, actually. And hello again, it's Babbo. Hello, hello. You could have been It's Babby, and then you would have been my text editor. This is what I'm talking about. Rick almost gave you up. I know this is Rickroll link. I already know that that's what you're doing to me. Yeah, see? Oh, I even have autoplay off. Get fucked, Andrew X. You look like you're 22. Man, I'm really losing years now. Kurtzman says, cool, thanks. PyCharmer days. I've been using a text editor, but it would be nice to have a bit of a helping hand. Yes, and the IDE will give you a lot of like tab completion and other stuff like that, which would hopefully help you out there. Pascal and Basic doesn't count. The first programming... Okay, so the first like doesn't count as a programming language that I did was TI Basic. The first like actual programming language was Visual Basic 5 in macros in a Word document. So the first program that I wrote was a quadratic formula solver, and I originally wrote it on my TI-83, and like, you know, you type in the 3 numbers and it would spit out the answers. But not everyone in my class had, you know, fancy TI-83s, which is fucking stupid. They're like super underpowered, but they cost like $100 for a calculator. So I rewrote the program in Visual Basic 5 in a forms macro in a Microsoft Word document, and then distributed it on floppy disks to everyone else in the class that wanted the same program. And actually, it was kind of like the first like magical moment of programming for me, where I realized that like I can write something once and give that code to other people, and they can benefit from like my effort, and like, you know, it was like a my first like little injection of open source. But I don't know. That was how I got started in programming. And then I was a web developer for a bunch of years, and now I do infrastructure. Now I'm laid off, so I do whatever the fuck I want. Spetwa says, hi mate, I'm from the Netherlands. Now you need to like me, Guido. You're not Guido. I don't believe you. Matter says, I recently had to learn VBA to help out a friend. VBA is absolutely horrible to work with. I agree. It's pretty bad. But I don't know. You know, you use the little form editor and like put some text boxes. It got it done, I guess. It worked. The power, says RX Civado. Yes, indeed. The Texas Instruments monopoly is real. It is. They have like a stranglehold on like the other monopoly, which is the College Board, and their standardized tests. And, like, they probably just like pay each other off back and forth forever, and, you know, further enable their monopolies indefinitely. But that's the way things go. Someone said something about Vim. I do know how to use Vim. I'm just faster. I'm faster at Nano and much faster at Babby. And Babby does have some Vim commands. So, like, for instance, you know, well, you wouldn't need to because they're already sorted, but you can sort. Let's sort these because it'll actually change the order here. Or we can sort the whole file, or we can, well, you get a bunch of white space, and then this looks pretty funny. You can reverse sort, which was added by Angeline X in chat. And, you know. But anyway, it's an editor. I wrote it from scratch. It was a lot of work, but it's kind of cool. El Rangel says, LSP can be quite handy if you want to stick to your text editor and don't use a heavy IDE. Yeah, I haven't implemented LSP yet in Babby, but I do plan to at some point, which will, you know, which will eventually happen. But the Jummaker says that so TI and US colleges are like China and the WHO. So College Board is actually a separate organization, unrelated to US colleges. But they do standardized testing for like SATs and other stuff, which I guess like they're probably getting a reach around from the US universities as well. But like the College Board does AP testing, they do SAT testing, they do the NMSQT testing as well, which is, I had to take all of these and pay them a fuck ton of money to take all those tests as part of like college admissions and stuff. But then they mandate which calculators you can use on those, so you end up you end up like crossing the streams there, and that's how TI gets their little tugs from College Board. And yeah. It's Babo says, are you on a project? Am I working on something right now? Yes, kind of. I'm working on answering questions in chat. No. Oh, actually, I forgot to show you guys this. The crappy website, placeholder website that I wrote on the last stream is now online. So you can now go to precommit.ci and you'll get this nice little placeholder page, which is eventually going to have content for the CI system that I'm building, that I'm supposed to be building today on stream, but I don't know when I'll get to that. But yeah, it's live. It works. Yay! Woohoo! Kurtzman says, I've used Vim, but got annoying having to turn the computer off every time I wanted to exit. Yeah. Alzabaret says, oh, I get it now. I've been coding for 18 years because you can't exit Vim. Yep. Tubak says, I think Streamlit is looking to hire great people. I'm actually not looking for a job right now. I'm planning to work on this CI project for a while. I'm trying to time box myself to like 6 to 9 months. I think this could be a really cool project, and I think like a lot of people would want to use it, and so I want to like, you know, take this as far as I'm willing to take it, and you know, build a free open source version and like a pro version that would allow me to earn some like passive income, and you know, see where that goes. When it inevitably doesn't pan out, then I'll, you know, search for a job again. But I'm not super concerned, and I'm reasonably financially stable. Like I have savings that could last me for a considerable amount of time without having to really worry about it. And I don't know, I make some money from Twitch, so it's something, I guess. Although not that much money from Twitch. Like I have only 74 subscribers right now. But I don't know. It's a thing. But anyway, I never exit. Why would you want to leave Vim? It's eternal bliss. Yeah. The John May says, meanwhile in Europe, college is cheap since we care about kids' futures. Yeah, I know. The US is kind of fucked up. Alex says, I've implemented a rough version of Precommit CI for Circle CI. Yeah, I've implemented it for literally every platform at this point, it feels like. Hey, what's up, Springbottom? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. But yeah, like most of the ways you would implement this for a particular CI provider are already documented here. The problem is they're all a little bit clunky. And it would be better if they weren't so clunky. But yeah, like one of the like benefits that Precommit CI will have that's going to be different from the other ones is like, you know, zero configuration to set it up. You won't need your Circle or Travis or Azure Pipelines or GitHub Actions or any of those configuration. It'll just go directly off of your existing configuration file. You won't have to worry about the caching part. It'll be done correctly and fastly. I actually have all the caching stuff built already, so that part already works. This is a feature that I found is really nice for drive-by pull requests where people just like don't run the formatters, don't run the linters. It'll auto-fix stuff for them and commit it back to PRs. An auto-update service, since, you know, the versions are conventionally pinned in the configuration file, but, you know, there's a way to update it. And there'll be more features, but this is kind of like what's planned for V1. And I have these things built so far. I was going to work on this today, and this is very easy to write. I just haven't done it yet. And then we'll need to do the stuff where I integrate it into AWS or such. But yeah, I'll work on that as well. Albert says, meanwhile in Russia, college is free if you have good grades in school, but the program is shit and unuseful, so people are dropping out. Oof. Hey, what's up, Father? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. It's not supposed to be a Rickroll. I'm just sharing great music. I don't trust you, man. Melting Lava says, has there been any talk / work with something like a precommit init that puts a sample configuration, maybe precommit init Python? There is precommit sample config. The idea being you run this and pipe it to precommit config.yaml. I'm not completely trained on this keyboard, so you'll see me try and hit the Y key right here a lot, so that just happened again. But yeah, precommit sample config will spit out a sample configuration that you can write to a file. So that's kind of along that line, but I think you're probably asking for like more project specific or like different languages. And I don't really want to get into that because people have very strong opinions about this shit. Like, oh, why didn't you use black for the Python setup? Or, oh, I want isort instead of this. Or, no, fuck you, I want double quotes. Like, I don't really want to get into those. I don't want to have to police that. That's part of the like beauty of precommit is like it doesn't really have strong opinions about how you would set any of these stuff up. It just kind of lets you use whatever tools you want. And so that's why the sample config is kept like super simple. But it does exist. It is a thing. Oh, the curriculum is shit. Yeah, I get you. I was shocked to hear how much tuition fees are in the US. Then again, the UK is also pretty expensive these days. In Belgium, it's about 1K per year, which is not that bad. That's fucking amazing. That's like insanely good. My education, just tuition alone, was like I want to say 13,000 a year. Maybe it was. Oh no, it's 13,000 a year for undergraduate standing and 16,000 a year for upper level. It's probably way more expensive now. UMich tuition. This is the undergrad. This is the not upper level standing. But I guess it's gone up a little bit. That's actually less than inflation. I'm surprised it's not higher than that. But out of state is 50 grand a year. Fuck that. That's so fucking expensive. But yeah, I'd love for it to be just this number. That'd be way better. Hakadas says, same, I dropped out 6 years ago and never... Sorry about it. Feels bad, man. Yeah. Education in Russia is shit. Oof. Starbuck says, swapping the backspace and / keys is the greatest improvement I've ever made to my typing. Huh. I've never heard of that being a thing. Interesting, though. Alex says, in my country, it's free. Nice. In Sweden, you get paid to go to school. What? That's dope. Melting Lava says, I paid $50 each semester, about $50 each semester for bachelor's degree. Nice. Spring Bottom says, there's a difference between first, second, and third, fourth year? Yes. And I got like super fucked by this too. Because I had a bunch of college credits from stuff I did in high school. Like I took a bunch of AP classes and like essentially college courses, and came in with enough credits that I started as a third year student. And so, and this didn't help me at all because I spent 4 years in college, and it just meant that I paid more money. I should, like, if I was being smart, I would have forfeited all my credits that didn't satisfy requirements, and then, you know, not pay a fuck ton of money for no reason. Hey, what's up? It's Sabotage. Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. But yeah, it's a scam, Spring Bottom. it's a scam. Miramater says, I'm studying right now in Germany, and I'm even getting paid. To be fair, it's half work, half university. Nice. Oh, you're in Montenegro, third-ish world country. I mean, if you've got free education, it's fucking better than the US. But, yes. Educations. You do have to remember, in general, in Europe, governments pay quite a bit for your college tuition. For example, for non-EU citizens in Belgium, it's about 7,000 per year. Even 7,000's not bad. Angel X, why? What the fuck do you want me to do? What is this? It's just Rickroll again. Again. Why? Hey, what's up, the tall pants? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. I don't know why you want me to watch this. Oh, you've linked your keyboard. Oh. I'm now looking at my keyboard to see. Oh, you've moved tilde as well. Fancy. Look at the. What does the OO and the UU key do? I like it though. Looks nice. Where'd you get your caps from? I also made money when I was in school. I taught intro to programming and you know, got some dollars for that. This is the fourth stream I go to see people going as I join. Okay, we're gonna write some code. I promise. Did I already push this? No. Cool. Promise we're gonna write code. Okay. And by write code, I'm gonna open pull requests and then close this one here. Resolves this number, which is neat little trick on GitHub to make it auto close PR when it's done. We'll let the tests run there. Close some of this out. I know I should write more code on stream. That's what we're supposed to do. We're supposed to do the CODs. Clear that. Oh, we actually wanted that. Cool. Okay, that's out of the way. Oh, you're fucking me. What job failed? GitLab. The docs failed. Shit. Error while formatting arguments for flake8.processor.fileprocessor.inline inside multiline. Well, that seems bad. I probably should have ran the docs build before I made a release that the docs build was broken in. Okay, so we're not going to write code here. We're going to write some docs, I guess. Dubak says, have you thought of mapping your left spacebar to be underscore to make snake case easier to type? Oh, that would be cool. That would be cool. We're getting distracted, yeah. Buying mechanical keyboards is so annoying. Everything is always out of stock. Yeah. UU is control, OO is alt. Caps are called SA Bliss. It was a group buy. Oh, nice. The jumping says, gonna be honest, for the 1,000 I spend in college tuition, I spend about 60 hours per week for school. Wow, 60 hours per week. Stranger says, code, I'm out. Source Flake8 processor. What's mad about here? What you mad about? This looks fine. Is it mad that it's a context manager? Hey, what's up, cleverness? Cleverness. Oh my god, I can read, right? Cleverness is a myth. Thank you for the follow. Nice name. Sorry, I can't read. This seems like a bug in Sphinx, because that needs to be a context manager. Yeah, there's definitely a bug in Sphinx. Fuck. Sphinx, Python, GitHub. Context manager. Observe what? Maybe no one has reported this somehow. Bug. What happened when you do on which project? What happened when you do on which document project? I don't know why that's so funny. What happened when you do? Fuck. Okay. Hey, what's up, BKM Dota? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. What happened when you do? Fuck. What version of Sphinx do we have? Somewhere in here. 310. Let's try lesson 310. Hey, what's up, Bullet Time Kidding? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Figure out what version it regressed in, and then I can probably bisect it for them too. Looks like 310 is the problem. Yeah. Yup. Regression in 3.1.0 for methods which are context managers. Decorated with context manager. Methods decorated with context oh. What button did I press? Page down? Trigger errors similar to this when built with Sphinx 3.1.0. This worked in 3.0.4. We found the boogs. Steps to reproduce the behavior. Expected behavior. This should work. Your project. Screenshots, not applicable. To 2004 Python version. Well, they don't care about the full thing, so we can do that. Sphinx version 3.1.0. Sphinx extensions. Sphinx RTD theme and Sphinx prompt. Sphinx RTD theme and Sphinx prompt. Not applicable. General context. Not applicable. And then we'll try and bisect it for them. Movie Jamal says, this is the 4th eBoy stream I joined that turns into coding immediately as I join. I mean, I must be a pretty bad eBoy if you guys aren't gifting me subs. Just saying. Just saying. Stranger says, imagine being mad at a manager. Sebastian says, right, I'm off to sleep. Awesome channel. Thanks for stopping by. I'll see you around in the future. Quality bug report says Landon Jen. Yeah. Stranger says you're not just gonna fix the bug. I thought you were gonna code. Yeah, we might fix the bug depending on. I'm gonna bisect it first and see what's broken, and then maybe fix it. That's some r/English. Oh, I love the English channel or the English subreddit. It's so good. Hey, what's up, Cat Peasant? Hello, hello. Welcome back. Elza Barrett says you were a great bug chaser. Yes, I do too much bug chasing. Is it Sphinx Doc / Sphinx? I'm about to find out. It is! Look at me remembering their Gert herbs. Trader says, as a project maintainer, I hate these kinds of bug reports because it means I have to fix something. Yes. Hey, what's up, gamer guy? Welcome back. With the not a cult emote. It's a good one. Let's see if I can make a reproduction of their thing. How's this gonna work? Actually, we don't need talks to do this, right? What? EU XO pipe fail. We only need this one. From docs source. Okay, so we need to do cd dir name. What's it? Readlink -f dir name $0. And quote this properly. Why? Oh, we have a buddy problem. There we go. Pip install -e ... Okay, so that'll set that up. Read link, gross. What's pwd-p? Avoid symlinks. Yeah, the problem. So I don't give a fuck about macOS, so that's why I'm using readlink. To do this properly for macOS, you would need to do cd dir name $0, and then so you push d this, and then cwd equals pwd -p, and then popd. This is how you do it and a little bit more portable, but I don't give a fuck about macOS. But CD looks kind of dumb. Yeah, it does look kind of dumb. Hey, what's up, Catherine? Hello, hello. Yeah, we got a hat on today. Somebody was like, you should put your hat on, so I put my hat on. 104 viewers. Man, we have a lot of people watching today. Hello, everyone in chat. Hopefully your day's going well. Quite a few people, yes. Hey, what's up, Nightcap? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Mindful Fox says, bot checking in. Stranger says, 104 viewers, 0 gift subs, feels bad, man. We've had 1 gift sub today, and it was from Juice to Vape Juice. But yeah, you're right. Feels bad, man. Let's see, what else do we need here? We need a docs directory. We need like auto something or other. Hey, what's up, XAI212? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Juice, I thought you were gone. Are you just trying to get me to say shit while you're not here? Is that what's going on? Thank you for the 5 gift subs, Juice. I mean, we gotta leave some buttons for it. That's the rules. But welcome, Lore386, Tumani, Rollers, Python Codebot, and Fama. Welcome all to being a sub. Python Codebot's here? How's it going? I know you're not a bot, but you have bot in your game. Just lurking, I guess. It's good. It's good. Debated. Alibret says, I'm trying to fight my procrastination and finally finish my project, so I watched coding in a language I don't even know. Am I doing this right? It's true. It's true. Juice is always here. The simper is here again. You're right, Parsit. So I think Python Codebot is not actually a bot. I think they're a real person because they've said a bunch. Are they in channel right now? Yeah, they're in channel right now. But yeah, they've been around. I just came back and somebody said something about gifting subs. Yeah, it's true. Man, this is a fucking pain in the ass to minimal reproduce here. There's like an auto something, auto class. Yeah, let's do that. Doc source lat.rst auto class foo.bar.bat or foo.baz. We'll just do that. Simport. Conf.py. No module named Flake 8. What? Oh. Oh. Slowly working our way through this. Please work. Document isn't included in any talk tree. Somebody just knocked on my door, so I'm gonna go check on that. I'll be right back. I had to put clothes on for the Amazon ferry. We're back now though. But I got some deliveries. I don't know what's in one of the boxes, but the other box is an air conditioning unit, which is gonna be great when there's a heat wave tomorrow. Hey, what's up, Dr. Cheese Weasel? Man, that's a good name. I like that name. Thank you for the follow, as well as Huzma. Thank you as well for following. Welcome to the stream. Simport, right? Parsit says, okay, I am done. What were you working on, Parsit? Miramonitor says, how does open source work make money? It doesn't. I make fuck all from open source. Do you work for a company that pays you to work on pre-commit, or is this your own free time? I used to work at Lyft, where I did developer tooling. But I was part of the recent layoff that laid off 17% of employees. But the answer is it really doesn't make money. I just do a bunch of work for free, and then everyone uses the software. What's up, Angelina X? What's going on? You triggered the bot. Did you not just see all the gift subs? Yes. The gift subs that they purchased this one beer that I finished drinking. Premium Privacy LTD says, "Are you wearing a hat again? Are you cold?" No, I'm fine. It's style, right? It's because I look cool. Elsa Brett says, well, at least I helped an Angular dev to solve this problem by spitting random keywords into chat. Again, never knew any Angular. I mean, that's what I do when I open JavaScript streams. FBI, open up! Yeah, unboxing stream? I don't know how interesting unboxing an air conditioning unit would be. Ken says, what temperature is the heat wave in San Mateo? It's supposed to get up to 80 tomorrow, which actually isn't that hot. But there's no air conditioning here, so it's still pretty warm. Kansas is around 100. Oh, I'd be fucking dead. Although you surely have air conditioning, right? 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 I would hope so. Master Trek says 88 today and 67 tomorrow. 95 yesterday. Wow. Maybe he's not cold because he's wearing a hat, right? Sandbox? Wait, what are you clipping? What are you clipping? You have AC, yeah. Person says, is it a portable AC? No, this is a window unit. So I will be probably that window over there. Over there. You guys can't see it, but there's a window over my main dresser way over here. But it's a very weird design for an AC unit. Like the ones that I'm used to, like the window comes down and like the unit sits under the window. This one like has like a U-bend in it, and so the window like slots into a U-bend. It's supposed to make it quieter, so like the compressor and stuff is outside. But we'll see what happens. Movie Jamal says, clipping works like 30% of the time for me. It's buggy AF. Yeah, it doesn't surprise. Twitch after all. Akatas says, it's 29C here, feels hot as fuck. Yo, that is hot as fuck. 29C? It's like what, 88F? Somewhere around there? 29C in F. 84F. That was close. Hey, what's up, Chavo Papaya? Welcome back. At 80 degrees, I do not always have the AC on. Usually I do it on 90 plus. Yeah, well, I'm a little baby. Documented isn't included in a talk tree. Didn't I just do that? Do I not know how to talk tree? Oh, I'm missing colons or something? Talk tree contains reference to document WAT that doesn't have a title. One of these days I will get this right. Why did that work? Damn it. Okay, let's try and minimize the example, I guess, instead of trying to guess at what's wrong. Okay, so this should fail, assuming we did this right. Elsa Barrett says, dude, when I came in the stream, I thought you were an X-Lift driver. No. No, man. I was a developer. But the answer is it really doesn't make money. I just do a bunch of work for free, and then everyone uses the software. Yeah, it's true. It's true. It's true. Yikes. Debated, says Flow135, yeah. The Jumping says, it's 25C here. The coldest has been in 2 weeks or so in my room. How much longer is the stream going to be? I don't know. We've been streaming for like 2 hours, so maybe another hour or so. I don't know. Hey, what's up, NotFat007? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Dr. Cheese Weasel says, what operating system are you using? Windows 10 and Ubuntu 2004 in a VM. It's different though if the temperature is going up or down. Acclimation. Yeah, that makes sense. Makes sense. I'm here for Coding Garden, who's another streamer, says turn on dark mode. In what? In Chrome? There's no dark mode GitHub. Okay, cool. So this is failing. Let's delete a bunch of files in docs. Let's get rid of... Actually, where would this come from? Oh, is it maybe this that's the problem? No, it's definitely auto class. It's definitely this internal checker.py. Nothing wrong with Windows. Yeah, Windows is fine. It's just like developing in Windows kind of sucks. Delete this, and this, and this. Dr. Cheese Weasel says, Windows is great. I hear there's a native package manager on its way, plus a full built-in Linux kernel at some stage. Yes, WSL kind of has this. Try this for GitHub dark mode. No, I don't really want to. I also don't use Firefox, or I don't use Chrome very much. I just use Firefox. But you want to get super triggered? I'm here for Coding Garden. Are you ready for this? I use Twitter in light mode. Ah! Twitter in light mode! But I prefer it to the dark mode. I feel like Twitter's dark mode is really bad. Like real bad. But yeah. I know you can get the SSFL already. I see. Have you tried quirk.gg? I have not tried quirk.gg. MS has gotten a lot better since Satya became SEO. Yes, I agree. I have to use Windows because C# feels bad. I like C#. C#'s good. You can also do C# on Windows though, or on Linux though. Hey, what's up, Mojo? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. My eyes, yeah. The John Mega says, it's confirmed Anthony is a light mode using monster. Look, guys, I changed my Chrome theme for you. Isn't that enough? Isn't that enough? Mojo says, I read a blog post 2 months ago trying to drive best practice tooling for Python. Would be super interested if you agree with my list. Well, pre-commit better be on there. Oh yeah, there it is. There it is. I don't really like Pylint and I don't really like Black personally, but I maintain PyTest and I created pre-commit, so that's a thing. Poetry's nice. I also maintain Flake 8. It seems fine. Yeah. I'm sure you mentioned coverage in here somewhere as well. Yeah, coverage. I don't usually write docs, so I don't use Sphinx. I don't really like PyProject.toml personally, but you have to use it for poetry. Does that make sense? Pre-commit is technically not capitalized. Doesn't really matter. I think Pylint's annoying, so I don't use it. But other than that, like, seems fine. Seems like a good chunk of things. Yeah, MyPy. MyPy's good too. But yeah, I think I actually read this article already. I think I retweeted it on the tweeters. But yeah. Dr. Cheeseweasel says, I feel like there's a party in my corneas and you're all invited. John Mega says, C# is basically Java, but it's actually good. Exactly. That's why I like C#. Hey, what's up, MTV? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. You need darkreader.org. Mixing between dark and light mode is not a good idea. Maybe I just do it to troll you guys in chat. Okay, so this is that. Let's try and eliminate even more. FAQ.rst, glossary.rst, manpage.rst. Get rid of those. Just want to make this so it's fast enough that it's, you know, crashes relatively quickly. Okay, so internal checker is what we need. So we can get rid of all this other shit. Oh, I just realized I blew way more than I wanted to. So it should still be failing. A mix between light and dark mode makes gray mode. Yeah. As good as you can be while still being basically Java, which is not very good. But there's operator overloading, which is pretty good. Janamax says, hey Anthony, how does the keyboard feel? Have you gotten used to it yet? I'm pretty used to it, although I still try and type the Y key pretty often. Also typing TY, which turns out I say that a lot. That one really bothers me because I got to do this now, whereas before I would just TY with one hand. And typing \n really, because usually what I would do with \n is like reach over for the backslash and then reach over for the n and kind of get it two-handed. But now it's \n, which is a little bit more, I don't know. I cheat a lot when I type and like I'm realizing all the places where I cheat, but I'm getting pretty used to it. Hey, what's up, Halil? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. If you guys have channel points, you can redeem them to do a type racer if you guys want to see me type. Type words. Elzebrand says, alright, I'm about to have a seizure from this stroboscope. Ethan says, PyProject is nice because it's like setup.cfg, but it can build anything. I just realized I would be able to put my PyTest config in PyProject.toml for a Rust Python project that has no setup.cfg. Yeah, PyTest, the newest version that's coming out soon, which I believe will be PyTest 6, is going to have PyProject TOML support. There is also definitely... Oh, is this the one more standard XKCD927? Yes. It's totally that. I'm your recording guy and says, let's fight at Typericer. Well, redeem those channel points. We'll make it happen. Okay, so this is enough to reproduce it. What the fuck is different about this than the one that I had? Oh, I deleted it. Oh, I'm a dummy. Let's see if we can minimize this down even further. What if we... God, I hope this reproduces, otherwise... Okay, sweet. Source Flake processor. Weird. Very weird. I don't know what's wrong here. Zebra mode, right? Nusavipa says, I'm an ex-Googler. Oh. A Zoogler, says JuiceFox Zero, yeah. I did the online summer camp at Google last year. Nice. Juice is also a Zoogler. Now I can write Google on my resume, right? Easy mode. Huh. So what the hell is different here? Like if I remove that, does it pass now? Is it the type comment? It's the fucking type comment? Huh. Okay, so that helps me. Hey, Felon has just subscribed with Prime. Thank you very much for the subscription. Welcome to the channel. Juicebox Hero says, what really matters is what Google building did you work out of? Did you get laid off as well, or did you leave/get fired? Oh, I see. 221B Baker Street. Isn't that Sherlock Holmes' address? Oh, you were only there for 2 weeks. It's all about writing Google on the resume. That's cheating. That's cheating. Okay, does this reproduce? Really? Do I need doc string here? This is a Baz. What else do we have here then? I guess let's just copy more of that other file. Spending a lot of time on this. Not really feeling so good about spending a lot of time on this. Where did that come from? Hey, Zappos, thank you as well for subscribing with Twitch Prime. Appreciate it. And for following. You subscribed before you followed. That's good. I like it. Welcome to the stream. And Bilayon, thank you as well for the follow. And C9, hello YouTube. Man, we're just getting one after another after another. Welcome all to the stream. Appreciate you guys being here. Let's see. Let's just do that. And Fule, thank you as well for the follow. Man. And I'm here for Coding Garden. Just everyone's just following today. I see how it is. It's good. Appreciate it. Let's see. Okay, is this enough to trigger it? I'm here for Coding Garden says, I'm taking back what I said before. You type like you have been doing it like forever. Yeah, I type a lot. I type pretty well. Even on this keyboard. Hey, thank you, Blings Type, for the subscription with Prime. Oh no, has this triggered the the hype train? Is that what we have now? We've triggered the scam train. Yeah, we've triggered the scam train. Oh man. The jumping at, oh, you used to work at Ubisoft. Nice. That's cool. I'd be ashamed to be associated with Ubisoft, right? Hey, thank you, Juice, for the for the 100 bits. It says scam time. And KNGL, thank you for the subscription with Prime. Man, you guys are actually playing into the scam train here. I mean, make it happen. I'm not complaining. Elgret says, alright, it's time for sleep. Thanks for the fun. From me to you. You've sent me a YouTube's link. Oh god, what is this? Good night, girl. I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for the video. Nisavipa says, I have no idea what's going on screen, but it looks like some hacker stuff. Got some hacker shit going on right now. Pressa says this will be the most pathetic hype train ever. I mean, probably. We're at level 2 though. Jamiga says, in the talking about keyboards, have you seen the Sweet Kinesis Advantage 2? Yes, I did see the Advantage 2. I actually had, so this was actually hashtag sponsored. This is a keyboard that was given to me by Kinesis, and I had the option of getting the Advantage 2, but it looked way too intimidating. So I opted for the Freestyle Pro instead of the Advantage 2. Also because I use the arrow keys a lot, and that keyboard does not have arrow keys, so I would have been fucked. Newsviba says, did your keyboard break in half? Yes, I got mad and I just went chop. And that's how I ended up with 2 keyboards. But no, it's the Freestyle Pro. I actually have to update that link because it's supposed to go to an affiliate link so that I actually get something out of this sponsorship. But I haven't done that yet. I just came from YouTube and I'm going to do it when he's streaming. Oh, I see. Oh, you're not even following Coding Garden? That's funny. That's funny. Okay, what the fuck? Why isn't this working? Oh, because I have the wrong file name, like an idiot. Oh, and I just splatted over it too. Damn it! uh... So it's possible this already worked. I just had the wrong file name. C9 Hello YouTube says, what are the buttons in the middle? This is my like Stream Deck. This is the C9. This is the BDN9. It's a keyboard that I assembled. You can actually watch me solder it together on YouTube. But like this button here goes into my selfie mode. It's so I can switch streams a little bit easier. But also it was fun to build. So this reproduces, surely. That one doesn't though. Okay, anyway. We have this one reproducing, so we can use this to bisect. Get bisect, begin. Get bisect, start. Get bisect, good. 3.0.4, get bisect, bad. 3.1.0, get bisect, run. --c, cd, flakate, and t.sh. So hopefully this should find where the bug happens. Louis Jamal says, why are you writing types as comments instead of type annotations? So Flakate still supports Python 2, sadly, and so I don't have access to the new type annotation syntax. But I will be dropping Python 2 at the end of the year, probably. Memphis says, when you write your Python code, do you use assert statements to help you with debugging? Yes, I do. Cool. We found the bug. Man, that took forever. Hey, look, I got more Stack Overflow points. From a bisection, this is the commit which introduced the regression. CC. Man, that was a crazy goose chase. Just to find this commit. It looks like they just released this like 8 hours ago. Expect behavior. This should work. For methods which are context managers and have a type comment. Oh. The Johnny says, gonna go try out Satisfactory now that it's up on Steam. See ya. Thanks for stopping by. I'll see you around. Okay, so after we've found this bug, we can look at their patch and see if there's an easy way to fix it. Undecorated signature is shown for decorated functions. Yeah, no idea what's going on here. Oh well, that's fine. They'll figure it out. Not my problem. Oh, I do need to fix Flagate though. Oops, I believe it's this file. Requirements, and we can do does not equal 3.1.0. That should hopefully reproduce that. CC should be lowercase cc. You're right, I shouldn't press the shift key. This is failing. Why is this failing? Only on Windows, no. Remake commands run 113 to 115 is missing a branch. Interesting. Well, we can fix that in a sec as well. Okay. Ban Sphinx 310. Let's skip Sphinx 3.1.0. We'll amend into that with that issue link. Man, we spent almost an hour on this fucking thing. Let's see this. Flake 89, no. C9 Hello YouTube says, but you got some Google experience for the resume. I mean, kind of. I never worked at Google. Delete once. Submit. Merge on success. Cool. It's weird that it passed on Travis CI but only failed on GitLab. Because I also got a notification for that. Okay, so let's figure out why this is not that one. Why this coverage is missing. I bet it's because we only test the forward slashes case and not the backslashes case. Like this never branches in the other direction, is my guess. Because it said it's on line 113? Is that what it said? Which is surprising, because I feel like it would have branched in the other way. It wouldn't have branched that way in the other case either. So how is this working before? 113 to 115. Pre-commit. Commands run. 113. So this is always true on Windows, is what this is saying. Test commands run. Classifier. Oh. Because, forgot to update this test. Okay, easy fix. I had one test that was calling the old method instead of the new method. So updating that fixes that. Cascade Delay says, oh man, this guy is experienced. Are you talking about me? I kind of know what I'm doing, a little bit. Oh, it's much easier to read here than in Twitch chat, except for Angelina X's name, which is difficult everywhere. Oh, you're talking about me. Okay, cool. I'm glad you appreciate my experience. But I might actually be caught up on GitHub stuff now, so we might actually be able to do the other thing that I wanted to do today, assuming this goes well, which is working more on precommit.ci. Juice with the up arrow. I'm very experienced. That was fucking awkward. Why did I do that? Okay, so the first thing that I want to do is make it easier for me to work on stuff that exposes a web endpoint to the internet. Because right now I have, is it this file? Yeah, I have this file, which runs a little Python web app on port 9101, which you can access from the public internet. And it gives you the nice little hello world. So if you load this URL, you'll access that. And I have some like IP address forwarding stuff set up. However, what's really annoying is chat will I mean, give it a couple seconds and chat will start fucking with me because this is a public IP. And so basically what I want to do is I want to set up a proxying endpoint that kind of makes this a little bit more secret, so that I can work on this without you guys messing with me, even if the port is different and the IP is different. And so what I'm going to do for that is I'm going to set up an Nginx proxy, which will take a path that's secret. So I will use the secret path. You guys won't be able to see the secret path, and then I'll be able to actually work on this. is the plan. I'm surprised none of you are fucking with me yet. Like really, no one has loaded this URL on port 9101. I'm surprised. I'm very surprised. And she says Anthony gets around winky face. Movie Jamala says don't stroke his ego anymore. It's already inflated. Yeah. Big brain inflated ego. That's me, you know it. Real lack of humility here. Really, no one's messing with me today. It's a new one. I'm surprised. Good job, chat. You're behaving. Why do I have another email? Oh, there we go. There we go. Now y'all are messing with me. Perfect. Haha, but now I know your IP address. Get fucked 85.94.105.23. In Montenegro. Oh, I know who this is. Wait, who said Montenegro earlier? Alexaku. You messed with me today. Unless there's another person in Montenegro, which is possible. But anyway. So let's try and set this up. I think what I need for this is just a simple port forwarding thing. Ngrok goes brrr. Yeah, but Ngrok has the same problem. You'd still be able to mess with me. Cascade Delay says, check mine. Oh, I already stopped the server. What do you mean Twitch chat is worthy of trust? Yeah, the other problem is do not use it in a production deployment. I'm pretty sure there's probably like, there's probably some arbitrary code execution bugs from Flask, so I wouldn't be surprised that you would be able to break this in various ways. So I'm gonna turn that off for now. But I believe what I can do to do this is Victor proxy. We're gonna have a run nginx.sh, and we're gonna exec docker run rmti nginx. We need to do net equals host because we're gonna work outside of Docker. Net equals host. We need to mount. We need to mount in a. We need to mount in a configuration. Volume. Mount in a volume from here. What is the Nginx? It's etc nginx nginx.conf, something like that. Yes, this one. Mount this here in read-only fashion. So we're gonna be running Nginx with Docker to make it easier on me, in theory. You scared him. Oh no. Can you change login config to not show the IP address? Probably, but the IP address isn't the problem. I already tried looking into the logging, and like, in order to turn that off, I need to turn off useful logging, and I kind of want the useful logging. So we're gonna try this approach instead. Also, I want to play with Nginx because why not? Nginx.conf. Listen on 9101. Proxy Nginx. I think this is gonna be super easy, actually. Yeah, like, I think it's just this. Something like that. So we run this on 8000 instead of 9101. So that will not be hittable on the public internet. So if we go here and load this, it's timing out, which is good. We try 8000. Should also be timing out, which is good. And if we run the proxy, and listen is not allowed here. Okay. Nginx listen on particular port. Of course I know how to configure this, right? Nginx says if you use Apache I could help. Yeah, I know Apache's mod rewrite really well. I've used that before. Moomy Jwala says I used Nginx proxy pass for a stupid web app of mine and I still have no clue what it does. I think it should be within HTTP or something. Oh, is there a block? Oh yeah, I need server bracket. Something like this. It's been a while since I've done this. Server directive is not allowed here. What the fuck you mean? Oh, should I just throw it into here? Yeah, maybe we'll do that instead. Maybe we'll do that instead. Oh, I should have looked what's in there. Let's see, nginx conf.d. Oh, perfect. Yeah, that's what we want. So we want to splat this file. Cool. Easy. Oh, it's running. Now I should be able to hit, not this one, but I should be able to hit this one. Netstat Tulpin TULPN. We've got Python listening on 8,000. We do not have Nginx listening on 9101. That's a problem. I should have done sudo to show all of them. TULPN. Type in my bad password. 3200. Why are you on 3200? Do you know why it's on 3200, Melting Lava? I think you should be hitting port 80. No, this should work. What are you doing? I'm eventually going to be working on GitHub API stuff, but I want to be able to do it in secret on stream without you guys seeing this. I copy pasted 3200. I see. Indeed. Oh hey. Somebody's browser on Windows 10. Oh. And so if I do /secret, for a forward. Oh, but it loaded here. Wait. We need to rewrite. If the URI is specified along with the address, it replaces the part of the request URI that matches the location parameter. For example, some page path.html URI will be proxied to... Oh, so I need to put a slash there, probably. Probably. What are you guys trying to do here? Oh no, my IP! Don't show my IP, please, thanks. You signed up for showing your IP when you curled my server, buddy. Okay, so now... oh look, your IP! We found it! Hey, there we go. Okay, so now the secret URL goes to the root, which is good. That's what I want to do. But then I forget what the what the next step for this is. Oh, this is passing, so we can merge this. A little bit of HDD, ADHD, except like out of order and mangled in some way. Have I made a release of pre-commit in a while? Pull requests merged. What did that person do? I fixed this in 259. What? Anyway, oh, is like that in the default configuration? Okay, that makes sense. Did this get released though, is what I was wondering. No, it's just merged. Let's see, this is fixed on the master branch of node.env. Let me see what pre-commit has done in a while. I think there was actually... Oh, it's been a while since I've done a release here. Random meth. Maybe we'll do a release pre-commit too. It'll just be double release day. Does that sound fine? You guys okay if I do that? Write some more boring documentation. Let's see. Change log. That was an auto change. This is kind of a feature. It's an automatic change. I guess maybe there's not so much here. This is a fix. This is a fix. And this is kind of a feature. We'll do a feature release. Even though there's not that not even a very great or very useful feature in this. Do features fixes. Okay, 1450, we can skip that one. 1467. I like this guy's handle, Tech Chad. Okay. Expose a pre-commit equals environment variable when running hooks. 1467 here by Tech Chad. Is it actually Tech Chad? I should double check that. Yes, Tech Chad. And oh, Lawrence wrote this issue 1426. 1426 issue by Lawrence. What are you talking about, Andrew Linux? I know this is a typo. What are you talking about? What are you talking about, bud? No, I can skip 1474. 74. I wonder if Tech Chad writes code, right? Right, rollers? 1472. This was a fun bug. That was also why I leaked my password. Like a fucking dummy. Fix Unicode decode error on Windows when using the Pi launcher to detect. Hey, Lucrid. Thank you for the cheer. Says keep going. We're doing it. We're going. On Windows when using the Pi launcher to detect executables with non-UTF-8 with non-ASCII characters in the path, something like that. Yeah, I think non-ASCII is correct. That's the issue. But 1472. And this was 1474 by me. Random meth. I know what this is, but it's a very funny branch name. This is the random method, which I decided to shorten to meth. Go faster, Kappa. Says Dr. Cheeseweasel. Yeah, I'm going as fast as I can. 1479 by is identical. Is this identical in the chat today? Not in the chat today. Anyway, is identical. Stops by sometimes. Fix deprecation warning on Python 3.9 for random.shuffle. 1480 Yeah, by me. Hey, what's up, P. Sahe? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully your day's going well. Mine's going pretty well, I would say. Meth heads? Yeah, they're coding for meth. What's next? For the random.shuffle meth. Do I put periods at the end of these? I am inconsistent. The answer is yes and no. We're gonna go with no today. Uh, 1494. This is kind of like a breaking change and a feature and a fix at the same time. I'm just gonna call it a bug fix though. Normalize slashes earlier such that global files slash exclude use forward slashes on Windows as well. 1494 PR by me. Hey, what's up, Greg Sharp? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. 1494. 94. 1476 by Harry Biddle. 476 issue by this person. And we put one line break between these. Only changing 2 files, easy. Boop. And then I gotta grab my password from the vault. And my password is Control-Shift-V. Hey, what's up, Greg Sharp? Hey, bud. Do you have this emote? Hey, bud. Ancient X says, why don't you sign pre-commit releases? Because I don't give a fuck about signing. We already talked about this. I only sign the Flakegate ones because that's what the other maintainer does. And I like lightweight tags. I don't like heavy tags. Yeah, this is done, right? Cool. And then I gotta put this into the actual GitHub release. Releases. 145 releases. I've done this a lot of times. Shit. 2.5.0. And there's this really annoying thing about this markdown box for some reason. It keeps these line breaks from the code here. But if I paste the same markdown into like a code box, it works fine. I have to manually go through here and remove the wrapping. Which is just kind of annoying. Oh, I already fixed that one. Anyway, now it wraps properly. Don't know why it does that. It's kind of annoying, but Looker says, what does sign mean in this case? So in Git, there's a way to sign commits with a GPG key. And there's a way to sign tags with a GPG key. You can do git commit -- sign -m foo. Why did that? Oh, we need to allow empty to make it actually commit. Hey, I don't have my, oh, that does this thing here. There's a GPG signing. GPG sign. Sign and GPG sign. This will open up this. Gotta grab my GPG key from password manager. And so that'll... Why does it not show the signature there? Oh, you need show signature. You can see that there's a GPG signature here. Warning, this key is not certified with a trusted signature. There's no indication that the signature belongs to the owner. Yeah, because I've never been to a GPG party. Hey, what's up, TX Moose? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. It's weird because Ubuntu trusts this signature. I don't know what's up with that. But what Andrew Linux is talking about is doing a get tag with sign, which forces you to do a non-lightweight tag. A non-lightweight tag has a message, and the reason that it has to have a message is because the message also includes the GPG signature. Why didn't it prompt me again? But anyway, you end up with this signature blob here. But in my opinion, a signature in a git commit doesn't actually help you validate anything, so it's kind of silly. But Cascadele says, what is pre-commit? Sorry for the noob question. No, it's fine. I'm always happy to talk about pre-commit. Pre-commit is a project that I've created. It is a framework for managing linters and code formatters in a bunch of different programming languages. It also integrates with Git hooks. The TLDR for working with pre-commit is you set up a pre-commit configuration, which lists a repository to get things from, the version you're going to get from that repository, and the list of tools you want from there. In this case, I've set up some white space fixers, a checker for YAML, and a code formatter here. And it knows how to integrate with Git hooks, so here it is installing the pre-commit Git hook. It also knows other Git hooks. It's poorly named, but you know, I'm never gonna be able to fix that. But then it knows how to install those tools that you listed and then run them against the files. And that's the basics of pre-commit. Greg Sharp says, what password manager do you use? I'm using Bitwarden. And so when I go over to my other window here, I'm clicking into Bitwarden to grab my passwords out of there. That's what's going on there. Dr. Cheeseweasel says, and why do we use it? Because it's convenient.
I haven't seen you drinking water yet.
Oh, true. Good call. I'm almost out of water. I'm out of beer, sadly. Gotta go get another one. Oh, why do we use GPG signing? I don't, because fucking waste of my time. You could use it to say that you're potentially signing off on a commit in a cryptographic way, but GPG is flawed in several ways that make it not that useful for, you know, ensuring ownership of commits. But yeah, pre-commit's pretty cool. I'm pretty happy with it. Louis Joel says, I know next to nothing about signing things, but I read the PGP problem somebody linked in an earlier stream, and I'm convinced it's stupid. Yes, indeed. Internet says, I keep forgetting to disable my clipboard history when copying a password. There's clipboard history? Clipboard history? I didn't know that was a thing. Ideal Gas says, pre-commit pog. Welcome back, Ideal Gas. Juice with the bang water. There is a reason that says that. Actually, I think we have it. Is there bang level up? Did I make this a command? Yes, I did. This is the reference for the for the bang water command. But anyway. Oh, you were talking about the GPG signing, yes. Oh, and there's the PGP problem. Juicebox Hero says, but are you out of rosé? No, I actually do have a bottle of rosé. Internet says, I use copy Q, but I think Windows has one built in. Oh no. Clipboard history Windows. Are you serious? Alright. I'm gonna look at it real quick. Oh, okay. It's fine. Oh, you guys can't see it. I'll take a screenshot of it then. Fuck. Why is this not... There we go. Oh my goodness. It's not letting... It's very hard for me to take this screenshot for some reason. Oh, I can just use print screen to get the whole screen. Yeah, and then we can open up Paint. And this is my screen, somewhere down here. I don't have clipboard history enabled, so I am not concerned about that. But this is my massive set of screens and things going on here. But anyway, that's that. Okay, I don't have it enabled. I'm no longer concerned. Windows key V, yes. G60 says Anthony is such a basic bitch. I know. I know. I gotta make fun of me, Juice. Cries in basic bitchdom. Let's see. Windows key Shift S to screenshot. Well, I can also just press print screen. I have that keyboard. What does Windows key Shift S do? Am I gonna regret this? Oh. What? This is fucking dope. What? This changes everything. Okay, that's fucking cool. Whoa. So now I can do like... Check out this weird oval thing. Kill it with fire, says Dr. Cheeseweasel. Guy BBB says Pog. Yeah, that's pretty cool. I don't know. I don't quite know what's going on there, but it's pretty cool. Am I gonna regret this? Whoa, this is dope. Yeah. Anthony in like 3 frames, right? Okay. Well. Hey, what's up, Milky Dev? Hello, hello. How's it going? Milky Dev is also a streamer. Check out their channel. Let's see, bang, so Milky Dev. Milky Dev says, "Good man. How's your day going so far? Pretty good. Pretty good. I got a couple of things done. I released Flake8. I released Precommit. I fixed a bug in Precommit. I set up my little Nginx proxy thingy, which you guys are probably still messing with. Check my IP location. Oh, where's 127001? I don't know. Do you want me to IP location this one? Let's pick this one. In US California. I see. Shark Tech. What? Let's see what this looks like on Google. Watch this be like my house. Damn, that's like actually... Oh wait, that's in Los Angeles. Why did it say Burlingame? I don't know. I don't know. Frosting Fire says, "Hey Dad." Winky face. How's it going, Frosting Fire? Melgadev says, what is the little device in the center of your keyboard pieces? This is a 3DS. Oh, that wasn't even on screen. This is a keyboard. It's the BDN9. If you do bang keyboard 3, you can find that out. But I use it as a stream deck, so if I press like this button, it goes into selfie mode. Hey, what's up? The Killer Ends Zero. Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. It's a 3DS, yeah. I mean, I do have a 3DS. Oh, it's on even. I think I was playing Pokemon before stream and I forgot to turn off. But yeah. Anyway. I think I'm probably going to wrap up pretty soon because let's see. Yeah, I've been streaming for 3.5 hours and I don't think I'm gonna be able to start and finish anything, so I'm probably just gonna wrap up here. I had the same one. I just got Pokemon Platinum yesterday from a pawn store. Nice. I think this is... Well, I'd have to pop out the cartridge to do that. I think this is Omega Ruby. I'm grinding shiny Pokemon because that's my jam. Not Picaro, welcome back, says, what's up with the bee? It's the middle of fucking June. It's a fashion statement. I don't know. Somebody told me to put the hat on, so I put the hat on. That's why I'm wearing a hat. Hey, what's up, Zayatic? Hello, hello. Okay. But yeah, let's do my spiel, and then we'll find someone to raid. A little bit of a shorter stream today, but that's the way things go sometimes. But anyway, I also have a YouTube channel, youtube.com/AnthonyWrightsCode, where you can check out my previous streams as well as educational content that I've been putting up online. I need to record today's video. I haven't done that yet because I was running late. But yeah, youtube.com/AnthonyWrightsCode. I have a new stream schedule. We're going to be doing Monday, Wednesday, Friday at noon-ish, and Saturday at 11, and that's Pacific time. But I also announce my streams in 2 places. One of those is on Twitter, and you can go to twitter.com/codewithanthony, where I usually say something like, I'm going to be streaming in 70 minutes. I definitely didn't actually do what I planned to do today, but maybe we'll do that on Wednesday. And I also announced those on the Discord, where if you do bang Discord and chat, no one had done that yet. If you do bang Discord and chat, you can join there. I also announce my streams there. Follow and subscribe, right? Is this some kind of OnlyFans request? No, I just put it on because, I don't know, felt like the thing to do. Hey, what's up, C9C? Hello, hello, welcome back. And KPR16, thank you for the follow. Let's go find a stream to rate.